फ्रेंड्स, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक एक कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है।
India's NEET paper leak controversy has taken a dramatic turn, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi making a rare midnight video address, social activist Sonam Wangchuk ending his hunger strike, and Bollywood superstar Salman Khan stepping into the debate. In his late-night message, PM Modi called paper leaks no ordinary matter, assuring students that his government would take the toughest possible action against those responsible, stressing that the future of millions of young people cannot be compromised. He promised strict punishment for culprits and stronger reforms to protect the country's examination system.
गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का एक वर्ष बर्बाद न हो।
Soon after the Prime Minister's assurance, Sonam Wangchuk called off his hunger strike. According to reports, the centre held discussion with the Ladakh-based activist and assured him that students' concerns would be addressed through concrete measures, leading to the end of his protest. The political and public response was quickly joined by Bollywood. Salman Khan shared a light-hearted yet supportive message saying, "Sonam Wangchuk, it's done bro, we'll send food." He also urged students to return home peacefully, expressing confidence that the government would now deliver justice. His statement has gone viral across social media, drawing both praise and criticism. While the government's fresh promises have erased tension for now, students across India continue to demand transparent investigation, tougher anti-paper leak laws, and long-term reforms in the examination system. With the Prime Minister personally stepping into the issue, Sonam Wangchuk ending his fast, and Salman Khan adding star power to the conversation, the focus now shifts from protest to one big question: will the promised action finally restore students' trust in India's examination system? Shravani Chando, Daily Sun.